Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to look over this list provided by the United States government. And the Department of Labor published this list. And you are going to find 5 countries that you are interested in researching. So you'll jot these down on your note taker. You will not actually end up doing a thorough research of all 5, but I want you to have some backups just in case there isn't information on 1 or 2 of your choices. We're going to be using the databases, which Ms. Lozak is going to go over with you. We are not going to be using Google to research these. You're going to be using the databases provided by the school. So look them over, this list over. You can pause the video as needed. I'm going to scroll down through. You can see the countries are alphabetically listed. You might notice that some countries don't have anything listed. That's because I'm only giving you one section of the chart. This chart includes child labor, forced labor, and then a combination of child and forced labor. So if you're not seeing anything in the column that I have provided for you, it's because they use either forced labor or a combination of child and forced labor. Of course, a lot of the child labor itself is somewhat forced because they're children. So make sure you have 5 countries listed. You're listing the countries as well as the information on the chart. You'll need that to complete your research. And go back and do this video if you need to get that information.